Selling items fast on Facebook Marketplace is all about presentation, pricing, and engagement. Start by choosing high-demand products like electronics, furniture, or branded clothing, and take clear, well-lit photos from multiple angles to attract buyers. Write a compelling title and detailed description, including the item's condition, brand, features, and pickup or delivery options. Price your item competitively, slightly lower than similar listings, and post during peak hours like evenings and weekends for maximum visibility. Boost your reach by sharing the listing in local buy and sell groups and responding to inquiries quickly to keep buyers engaged. Offer multiple payment options like cash, Venmo, or PayPal, and always arrange to meet in a safe public place. If your item isn't selling fast, try relisting with a new image or a slight price drop. Follow these steps, and you'll be selling on Facebook Marketplace in no time.